Hi there, I'm Dr. Ari Deuk Majan at Deuk Spine Institute here in Melbourne, Florida. And I have one of my lovely patients who came back to visit me about 3 months after her surgery. Where do we operate? Because I don't see any scar.
Right. This faded little dimple.
Okay.
Not even there.
Yeah, a faded little dimple is right. So she had discs in her neck operated on, two of them. And we did what procedure?
We did the Deuk disc repair.
Yeah, the Deuk laser disc repair. All done endoscopically with a 4mm incision. And how long were you in the hospital after that surgery?
I went home within 1 hour of the surgery. I was completely pain-free when I woke up in the recovery room.
That's awesome.
Amazing. And I've been pain-free since.
So tell us what it's like to live with chronic pain.
I think prior to getting here, I suffered for probably about 8 months. It ruled me. I could not sleep. I couldn't function. I couldn't concentrate. Basically, I felt like I was a prisoner. I can't describe what it's like to be suffering like that and to have this surgery, because I was instantaneously, I had no pain when I woke up. And the hardest adjustment I'm having right now is being without pain. I had to find ways to work around my pain, and I struggle with that. I still do. Like, I'll wake up during the night and I'll say, I can't believe I can sleep and I have no pain. But Dr. Deuk is an amazing surgeon. Anybody who has any issues with their spine, I just highly recommend them. And the best thing about it is it's non-invasive. You can go back to work as soon as possible. And you have no hardware in your neck, and you don't have the risk of having further surgeries down the road.
Now, were you offered other surgeries like fusions and things like that?
Absolutely. I suffered for 6 months. I researched my options. I went to 3 different neurosurgeons. My options were very similar with all 3. The first one wanted to do an artificial disc replacement. The second one wanted to do a fusion, an only C7, not my C5, with a cadaver bone graft. And the third one wanted to offer me a fusion also. I didn't want the 3 to 5 day inpatient hospitalization, knowing that the high rate of difficulty swallowing and some of the side effects of the surgery. And I think that's why I just kind of put it off. And
how'd you find us? How'd you find Deuk Spine Institute?
Amazingly, and one of my nights I was not sleeping and I had insomnia as usual. And I went downstairs in my house and I put my phone on, and lo and behold, Dr. Deuk's Spine Clinic flashed up on my Facebook. And honest to God, I'm in my 60s, I'm a little computer illiterate. I notified the Geek Squad at Best Buy, which is open 24 hours, and I had them download the MRI that night. It was on a Sunday, and Dr. Deuk got a hold of me 6 hours later on Monday morning. And the rest is history.
Was this a Facebook group, like a support group?
No, it just, now it's, I saw it had Deuk Spine Institute, minimally invasive, send your MRI, we will review it, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. And it was amazing. I was here at the Deuk Spine Institute because it was cold weather and weather delays within 48 hours.
And where did you come from?
And I came all the way from Chicago, Illinois. And Dr. Deuk here was so kind to close his office on that particular day. He normally didn't operate, and he came all the way here to Vieira to do my surgery.
All right.
That's an amazing doctor.
Thank you. So one more thing. The gentleman who actually probably brought you here, or got you here, is Zach, who's videoing us right now, right, Zach? I mean, he talks to all the Facebook people and gives them information. So he's probably the one who responded to you. So you got to thank Zach as well.
Thank you, Zach. Thank you.
Now, what's your background? What do you do professionally?
I've been a nurse about 30 years. I'm a bachelor degree registered nurse. I work in a hospital in Chicago. Unfortunately, I don't work in the orthopedic area, but I work in the high-risk labor and delivery area. I had an extensive background, so I think I probably had a little bit of an edge of researching, but I think the biggest thing, and I never really told you, Dr. Deuk, my brother is fused from C2 to T3, and he watched my surgery live, but he never had the option to have this amazing surgery. And I did my research, I read all Dr. Deuk's papers, and I knew he was one of a kind and he was unique.
And I was just gonna say, we're hoping that people don't have to have those kind of surgeries anymore that your brother had, that they can have the laser surgery instead of fusions.
And I knew also too, if I had that surgery in Chicago, and once I had the hardware in my neck, it wasn't reversible. And I didn't want to go on that route. And I'm doing amazing. It's just, I can't believe it.
Well, God bless you. I'm glad
Thank
you're
you.
here to see me.
Thank you.
So,
Yeah.
all right, thank you.
Thank you, Zach. Oh my God, thank you, Dr. Deuk. You gave my life back. I should have told him that.
You're welcome.